what do you think about the layering involvement in your school?
In my opinion, it gives students that were spent and family are abiding. What about you?
I agree that sometimes the classroom feels less lively. Maybe it's because some students are not active in these camps.
That is true because in house where more group investigation stake and the first school bond more industry. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I agree. Activities like group discounts or presentation could make learning more interesting.
In other districts, take inspect your school tour and more structured activities to support student industries. Do you have any other question?
Maybe they could also an outdoor learning programs like educational trips that could make students more curious about learning.
Your English instinct with child suggests this to stakes to fear or stake to shallow.